Right, breakfast time. So, of course, we're doing Jaffles again. Jaffles again. So, just got some bacon. Too much bacon. Ideally, you cut it up into some chunks, small chunks, because as soon as you bite on it, it's going to pull out of the bread, out of the sandwich. But anyway, because we're doing bacon and eggs, it is better to do it on this and not on the campfire, just because if you put too much heat into it, you'll burn your bread before you get a chance to cook the egg inside. Bread. So exactly the same as on the last video when we buttered up the bread. The jack iron's been seasoned already. Hopefully, unlike last video and last night, I don't get a phone call every 5 minutes from people wanting to talk to me. That's how you get burnt Jaffles. It's all buttered up. I'm going to butter your bread. Rightio. First up, just press them down to make a bit of a well in the bread so the egg's got something to sit down in. There's nothing worse than when you spill the egg out and your Jaffles become French toast. It's normally handy if you use the little 600-700 gram eggs as well, and not the real big ones. Just means less spillage. So, eggs are in. The highway noise is getting nice and loud. Hooray! So. Our condiment rack, condiment bag. Again, bacon, eggs, need plenty of pepper. Sometimes you can add a little bit of curry powder, depends what your tastes are like. Line our bacon up. Yum yum. Yum yum Jaffles. The other good thing about doing this on the gas top, you can do it at home in the backyard, you can do it anywhere. Again, key thing is to get a Jaffle iron. Even at home I use a sandwich maker, a toasted sandwich maker. Get the big ones that take the big bread and don't have a cut in the middle. And because I've got tomatoes left over from last night, slice of tomato as well. Just like that. Alright. that one. Fire that burner. Alright, again just a couple of minutes either side. Low heat, not high heat, and yeah, we'll be eating in no time. Yeah, just check. Just be mindful, you might have a little bit of, yep, so it needs to be turned again. Check this side. It's coming along nicely, so I'll leave that one there. Again, no harm in checking. Just be careful when you first open it that you don't have a bit of bread stuck, because once it opens up you break that seal and you probably won't get it sealed again, which means you're going to have shit everywhere when you try to eat it. But again, slow, don't rush it. Yes, you go put it in the middle of a campfire on the hot coals, it's going to cook quick, but at the end of the day you're just going to burn toast and you're going to not have the egg cooked inside. And then again, for breakfast, spaghetti, you could have all sorts of stuff, baked beans, all sorts of stuff in here. This should be just about done. I love this new Coleman, even though I got it second hand for $100. They're normally about $250 for 100 brand new. But versatile enough, I can run on both the gas bottle and the little green bottles as well, which a lot less stuffing around. I don't have to worry about having a gas bottle with me. I can just have one of them behind the seat in the car. So check, that side's done. A little bit more on that one. A little bit more on that one. So get that ready. Yeah. I took it to Mealy with a gas bottle just because I was going to be there for 8 days cooking, but never emptied it. I'm just testing out now how long one of these bottles lasts, so I don't think it was full when I got it, but we'll see how it goes. Last one's taking a little bit longer. A little bit longer. Alright, I'll turn that off. As the normal rule goes, where does smoke? There's burnt toast. So crack that open. Yeah, butter knife in here. Yeah, went a little bit over, but that's alright. That's alright. Get rid of the Jaffles line. Alright. Oh. Boogie egg. Yum yum. Bacon and egg and tomato. Jaffles. Oh. You reckon, Spots? I know you want some. Yum yum.